NOKIA 6085 lower block disassembly and assembly. You will need the following tools: the SS93, metal tweezers, a dental pick, a bit holder, a Torx Plus size 6-bit and a torque driver. Cover the windows with a protective film. Unlock both latches of the antenna cap. Open the assembly. Release both upper clips of the antenna cap. Now, the cap can be removed easily. Fit the Torx Plus size 6-bit. Unscrew the 4 screws. Remove the screws. Gently pry open the C cover with the SS93. Carefully lift up the cover. Lift up the engine module. Keep in mind that the flex foil is still connected. Open the connector with the SS93. Push out the K-mate. Remove the DC jack with a DC plug. Ease the microphone with a dental pick. Carefully bend the C cover as shown to release the clips holding the antenna cover. Lever out the vibromotor. Release one clip of the SIM lid and remove it. Lever out the IF speaker with the SS93 first. Remove it with tweezers now. Bear in mind that the IF gasket will be destroyed during the removal and must be renewed when reassembly. The disassembly procedure is now finished. Assembly. Fit a new IF gasket and place the IF speaker into the antenna module. Mind the correct positioning of the spring contacts. Smooth it down evenly. Insert the SIM lid and close it. Place the vibromotor. Do not bend the spring contacts. Click the antenna module into the C cover. Mind the guides. Insert the microphone. and the DC jack. Place the keymate. Mind the correct positioning. Bring the engine module into position near the hinge. Close the flex connector. Position the engine module into the cover. Now align the C cover above the A cover and push it down evenly. Insert the screws. Set the correct torque. Apply the torque to all screws. Fit the antenna cap. Click the snaps into their places, beginning from the upper side of the antenna cap. Note the correct positioning of the snaps before going on. Complete the assembly with the battery cover.